Who do we have here? Got to the river early. Calm water, boat is ready. Looks like it's going to be a good day. We made our way to the dam. The water got much rougher, and the sound is almost deafening. But with a little editing magic, I will spare your ears. We drop anchor and start fishing right away. The action is steady. Saugeyes, walleyes, possibly saugeyes, mostly small ones, but every bite keeps things exciting. There were a few nice ones. After a busy morning, it's time to refuel. A quick breakfast on the boat. Back to fishing. More fish, more releases. Constant action, cast after cast. This one has a white thing sticking out of its back. I'll get into what that's about a little later. Take a look at the dorsal fin. Those dark spots are a classic trait of the sauger, although it's not too hard to tell them apart from walleyes. This is one of the easiest ways. And the pattern looks pretty cool too. This one is barely bigger than the bait I was using. Look at this sauger. Notice how its eye reflects the light. That's because they have a special layer in their eyes that helps them see better in low light conditions. Walleye have the same feature. It's actually how they got their name, with those pale, wall-like eyes. At one point I hooked into something bigger, but lost it after a short fight, and one of my hooks ended up snagging this guy off it, a lamprey. Lampreys attach to fish with their suction cup mouths lined with rows of sharp, rasping teeth and feed on blood and fluids. This one isn't the invasive sea lamprey. It looks like a native species, maybe a chestnut lamprey, and it's part of the natural ecosystem. Should I keep it or release it? Some of the fish we caught had tags, like this one. If you ever catch a tagged fish, record the tag number, where and when you caught it, and report it to your local DNR. It helps with fishery research and management. The day kept moving toward the end, but the bite was still strong. I was using a simple high-low rig, 2 hooks tied above a sinker, letting me fish minnows and worms at slightly different depths. It's one of my favorite rigs. It works in just about any situation, and it's perfect for when you want to do some lazy fishing too. As the light started to fade, new species showed up. Like this Mooneye, with big eyes made for low-light hunting. We caught several of them in a row, a nice change of pace as the river shifted toward night. And we weren't the only ones having a good time. Other boats around us were pulling in way more serious fish. It was a good day for everyone out here. The sun finally dipped behind the trees. Time to light the lantern, pack up, and head back to the ramp. A full day on the water, a lot to remember, and all of it good.